Aminista kenda kiri 10 baraba thurwo ni gavana Mutuma kendo mutetheria utungata kaunti ya Meru. Kiri kibindi kia wentu kwa dwarinde bethi tawe kinya mbunge ni ya Meru kenda kuungo maori na kuona kethira be na umba ni bo utungata Meru. We 10 ura woloterwe Joy Karwitha no wana kuriro kuungo maori alamisi ya kiume tweetite nyuma yanje yara kwithira kebela kanyene ka kamiti ya wandikandire tongeretu ni speaker Ibubundi ni kuriro nende kuandika ripoti na kumikinya ndani ya bunge ukenda MC ba mikulukia na bare ikyo mikulukia nende bakethira bakinyuthu muma kenda kwambiria utungata ndwangine mwanya cia kaunti ya Meru ira bathuriri muthuri Murioki na ribotie.
Ndojona narua kitigiki katikati kanyomba ya Ogambi ajandene county assembly ya Meru kitigiki nandi kikarini antu kenda pamoja narua bakujithinika na bomba Kuthuujwa nikenda kwa Aminista ndene county ya Meru. Wa mbere ni Elias Murega akarira kitigiki auga moroto jwawe ni gutigira gukire mchetho obairi.
We have stadium like Kithongo which already fence is ongoing, still we need to support it. We have Timau, Oro, Integania, Mwariama. These are stadiums that already will, with the proper planning, adequate budget, we can develop the infrastructure of this stadium, not only for the use of football, but also other sporting discipline, which I commit to follow up. But this can only be possible if we adequately or sufficiently support those programs by allocating more budget here and also through PPPs, that is public-private partnership. And
obairi akiarire mandu ya urimi agokera ikwendekana ni antu bonde beja mwe na kuthia ngwataniro.
Then Mr. Chairman, we also have to partner with our other players like the NGOs, the international groups that come here, groups like ASDSP, groups like ADBP, and those ones will come and subsidize what we have because they are also interested in this. Lastly, Mr. Chairman, we need also as county government to come up with programs that are low cost, high impact in agriculture and life.
Obadatu ni mandujagi ogima mwiri na kuwa moroto jwawe ni gutigira na ndari gitani bagwatira thirikari nikenda bomba gwitango gibara yamwe.
I know for sure once I get in this particular position, and because I will still be working with the teams from the hospitals, I will encourage us to have a dialogue so that we have a staggered system of how we shall work between ourselves and between ourselves as a government now and healthcare workers unions.
Obana akiarira manduja watho no ritingubo mwingi awakira gikwendekana kwithwe kwina etio na gwitango gina kithomo.
So we'll have a clear-cut responsibilities of our officers who are on the ground. For example, a member of the county assembly has his responsibilities. I wouldn't see a situation whereby ward administrator or sub-ward administrator is going to conflict with an elected member of the county assembly or a member of the parliament we are serving. So we instill some element of professionalism.
Urungamete mandojo warimu awakira kwenda mbere ntikwegana ikira niana bonde banasari bodo bakenywa shuru.
My first 100 days I'll start with the ECD. The first one I'll engage the members of county assembly so that we can implement the issue about the feeding program.
Obiashara akiwa thoko ni kubatara muno keinto bila Meru bakulima.
Number one is to improve the conditions of the market to make sure that we have a conducive environment for the traders. Number two, it is to market for their produce, to look for market for their produce, because basically that is the work of this docket, to look for the market. And also liaise with the national government so that we can be able to get.
No manduja ruji agwana ije mono na kumenya gintu kura kikwagia nikenda gutigira county ya Meru ekwagiritho kimanduja gindoji.
And the most glaring issues is the collaboration between the county assembly and the executive when it comes to implementation of these policies and laws, and even dealing with the issues of budgetary and the frameworks that are there. Based and armed with that experience, Honorable Chair, I believe and I know the challenges that we are facing in the department that have been nominated.
Barabara noe arwagire kubatara nikagitagara barabara inda Kuthuujwa kuba kwina ombani bobu.
Action. This has got to be done within this period of time. How do you do that? We have work plans. We have procurement plans. And these ones have got timelines. So we've got to beat that. In any case, we do not want to retain government money, county money, in the treasury and up to the end of the year. And we know if it is found in the treasury, at that time, it will go back. And it may be so difficult for us to get that money back.
Na muthiene niwe gikigina akiwa ntubura thomete ni anto kwitania ngugi kuri amwe kwina umithio.
The many projects I've handled, especially in the lands department, I've learned the power of multi-agency implementation of anything from the one to go to the end. These are steps that we need to sit down together. We need to form a committee, including the representative from the schools, the county assembly, and the executive, to brainstorm on the way forward because of the limited resources.
Muthuri Murioki, Oro TV, Mutiri wa Kangangi.